everybody, this is Joe with Joe's Premium Firewood, bringing another fun-filled, exciting video. Today's video, I'm going to show you what I got to do to get my truck out of the barn, because last week, as many of you know, I put it into reverse and it made this ka-chunk, and reverse no longer works, and neither does overdrive. So, anytime I want to get my truck out of the barn, I got to either hook it up to the quad like it is now, or have my brother pull me out, or Mike pull me out in his truck. Because my mom's car isn't, or SUV isn't working either. So this is what I got to do, and just wanted to let you know I volunteered my mom to help me out today. Hi, Grandma. Yep, it's just fine. Just make sure the mirror don't hit there, and make sure you hit the brakes out here, because this is how we got to get her done. So it surprisingly works pretty good. I wasn't sure if the quad was able to do it. Get this set up so you can see what's going on, and we'll be on the road shortly. That looks pretty good. Maybe zoom it up just a touch. Okay. So we got her out. It's slippery. I know Grandma likes driving this truck, but you know, she's got Denise's car to go get groceries with. But now I'll put the quad away, so when I come back in, I can just drive up in there and park it. So I got her out. Hope you guys like this video. We'll see you on the next one.